Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. If you have not subscribed to my channels yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my uploads. I'd like to share with you my Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. This retails for $15 a month, and if you wish to subscribe, it is allure.com/thebeautybox. And the first thing I see is the Allure Beauty Box booklet. Tells you all the products that are in the box and the prices as well, and where you can find them. So the first thing is, this is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray, Medium Hold Nourishing Spray, number 14, and this is a 1.2 ounce. And let's see what this retails for. So it's the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray, retails for $19 for the 8 ounce, and you can purchase it at Ulta.com. It says this hairspray does what it promises, gives a medium hold, but the real reason I love it is for all of its hair perfecting perks. It smooths away my flyaways. It smooths my flyaways and frizz without flattening out my texture. I use it on days when I want my hair dried waves look less fuzzy, so I get polished hair in a fraction of the time it usually takes. But that's not even the most important part, or my favorite part. It gave my hair a crazy amount of shine because it's loaded with natural oils, including macadamia, argan, sweet almond, and grapeseed. But it's light enough that it doesn't weigh down my fine hair. That's lovely. So that's a Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. Next up is, this is Melting Lip Powder, Long Lasting Matte and Cheek Tint by CLE or CLE. And this retails for $19.99, and I'm assuming this is the full size. And this is in Desert Rose. And you can pick this up at clecosmetics.com, and it's $19.99. If you enter the promo code Allure30, you can receive 30% off your purchase, valid from May 1st through June 15th. Oh, well, that's no help because that's already gone. So if you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips, and then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. They deliver color that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. The summery matte raspberry shade from CLE goes on easily with a wand. You may think it'd be messy. It's surprisingly not, but you wouldn't be alone in your fears. I made a bib out of a napkin the first time I used this because I thought it would flake all over my sweater, says Amanda Bonson, a beauty assistant at Allure, but it melted into my lips and felt even right away. And it was actually a lot of fun to use. Wow, it does melt into the lips. Well, let's make sure it's not on my teeth, because that's not a cute look. Wow. It definitely melts into the lips, really. Okay. That's a keeper. So next up is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is a kind of moisturizer that makes your skin look different right after application. Its peachy tint and a hint of shimmer brighten you up instantly. I like to tap it on the high points of my face, cheekbones, and temples. above the tail of my brows, across the center of my chin, and down the bridge of my nose for natural looking highlight. This retails for $28 for the full size, and you can purchase this at First Aid Beauty. If you enter the code Allure0518, you will receive 15% off your purchase. So here you go. And then next, this is from Beauty Loot. Whoops. This is L'Oreal Paris L-Net Satin Extra Hold Hairspray. It doesn't say, it's on the back, so it doesn't give you a price. And it just says, always on set, L-Net Satin Hairspray is a secret of celebrity hairstylists. It holds strong but brushes out effortlessly, so you can style and restyle on set and everywhere. L-Net, it's pure gold. And there we have it. Next up, I see two, I'm going to use this tonight. Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. What are you trying to say? So here, two are in each. There's a pair, I should say. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I can't wait to use this. So these retail for $25 for 6 pairs. And you can purchase these at wonderbeauty.com. Enter Allure2618 to receive 20% off your purchase. So it says these blinged out patches were made for mask selfies. I love that you can moisturize and soothe your under eyes and look good while doing it. The gold foil makes me feel extra glamorous, says Jihan Forbes, an Allure digital editor. They're nice and calming because they've got aloe and a skin cooling effect. It's made them a favorite around the office and a godsend after late nights. So I can't wait to use it. And lastly, Saint-Tropez One Night Only Gloss. And this is 1 ml. Finishing gloss, instant high shine effect. From Saint-Tropez. And this retails for $25 for the full size. You can purchase this at Ulta. This body bronzer has a soft tint and shimmer, so you can't go overboard. I like overboard. I love that movie. I like putting it on the tops of my shoulders and collarbones for a little something something when I'm getting dressed up. And because it's a temporary wash-off bronzer, you can experiment without winding up with streaky consequences. Why don't we just put it here? Give me a little nice little. My collarbone pop a little bit. So this is a bronzer. Ooh, wow. Look at the difference. And that is it for my May Allure Beauty Box, everyone. Thank you so much. Let me know which one would you buy. I think the bronzer is going to be my favorite. Ooh, and it smells so good. It smells like a spa. The bronzer is my favorite. Which one would you purchase if you had the chance to? Yeah, the bronzer and the lip. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss my videos. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.